Welcome to Best Choice. The best folding rule is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone who values precision and portability, whether you're a seasoned carpenter, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates a well-crafted measuring instrument. This humble yet mighty device can transform how you approach tasks requiring accurate measurements, offering a compact solution that unfolds to reveal its full potential, making it an essential addition to any toolbox or workspace. Number 5. Klein Tools 910-6 Folding Ruler. Introducing the Klein Tools 910-6 Folding Ruler, a 6-foot measuring tool designed for durability and precision. It's built to withstand tough job site conditions. Crafted from tough nylon reinforced with glass fibers, this ruler offers exceptional durability. It's resistant to weather, abrasion, and most chemicals, ensuring long-lasting performance. Featuring black markings on yellow with red stud center markings every 16 inches, it provides clear and easy-to-read measurements. The graduations are precise to 1/16 inch. Measurements are conveniently marked on both sides and all edges, offering versatile use. You get an inside reading of SAE measurements for added convenience. Its positive locking joints and stainless steel spring hinges ensure added strength and reliability. This tool is designed to perform consistently on any job. What we like. This one offers an inside reading for convenient measurements. Its durable fiberglass construction ensures it can withstand tough job sites. If you frequently need to measure inside dimensions of openings or spaces, this is a great choice for its specialized reading capability. What people say. This ruler is all nylon reinforced fiberglass and, per Klein, is non-conductive. The ruler segments open nicely with a little effort and will snap into either 90-degree or 180-degree positions. The numbers and lines are engraved, so no chance of wearing off over time. A red stud marking is included every 16 inches. The ruler is a full 6 feet long. Great compact size, easy to use, durable, and a really solid locking mechanism. Joints are tight, form an actual 90 degrees when locked, easy to read. Number 4. Crescent Lufkin 6-foot Engineer's Scale Wood Rule 1066 DN. Experience superior durability with brass-bladed joints and end caps designed to prevent splitting. This tool is engineered for longevity. Locate measurements quickly with clear, red foot figures. Enhanced visibility ensures accurate readings every time. Achieve precise measurements with graduations in feet, tenths of feet, and hundredths of feet. It's designed for professional accuracy. Get all the markings you need, including regular outside measurements in feet, inches, and 1/16 ths. This offers comprehensive utility. Trust in the quality of Crescent Lufkin. This engineer's scale wood rule is a reliable addition to your toolkit. What we like. This ruler features an engineer's scale with red foot figures for excellent visibility. The brass accents add durability and a classic look. If you're an engineer or work with plans that use decimal feet measurements, this is the tool for precise and clear readings. What people say. One side marked in tenths of an inch and other side marked with standard markings. I prefer using these over a regular tape measure anytime when measuring instrument heights. This is a great engineering wooden ruler. It is very durable. I have had my old one for 15 years. Number 3. Wiha 61602 MaxiFlex Folding Ruler. Introducing the Wiha 61602 MaxiFlex Folding Ruler, designed for precision and durability. This tool is built to withstand tough conditions. Its rugged polyamide construction is resistant to chemicals, water, and scratches. You can rely on it even in challenging environments. Molded with 30% fiberglass, it offers exceptional strength and flexibility. This makes it a robust choice for any task. Experience play-free precision joints with reliable 90-degree stops. This ensures accurate measurements every time you use it. It features a compact, pocket-sized design for easy portability. The deep embossed, waterproof scales are easy to read. This ruler is tough, flexible, and impact-resistant. It's engineered to be a long-lasting addition to your toolkit. What we like. This option provides metric measurements with an outside reading. It's made from a rugged, scratch-resistant fiberglass material and is compact for easy carrying. If your projects require metric units and you prefer a smaller, more portable ruler that can handle tough conditions, this one is ideal. What people say. This one snaps firmly into place as you unfold it and is 100% accurate against the flat end of this ruler. Also, the measurement ticks on this ruler are embedded, easy to read, and should not fade or rub off unlike my metal tape measure. The hinges have stops built in when the unfolding section is at 90 degrees and again when the section is at 180 degrees. The markings are black. They aren't just painted on. The markings are slightly indented as well, so there is a slight serrated feel when one slides a finger along. The rule is readable from either side. If you need a durable metric folding ruler, this one will work. It's strong and locks into place when unfolded extended. Rigid plastic material helps avoid bending when extended. Number 2. Crescent Lufkin Red End Folding Wood Rule. Introducing the Crescent Lufkin Red End Folding Wood Rule. A timeless tool designed for precision and durability. This versatile rule extends smoothly up to 6 feet, making it ideal for a wide range of measuring tasks. Its innovative design feature stops at each end, ensuring the slide stays securely in place and won't fall out. Get accurate readings every time with markings along both sides and edges, graduated to 1/16ths of an inch. Crafted with durable brass-plated joints and brass end caps, it's built to withstand tough job site conditions and prevent splintering. Rest assured, this tool meets Prop 65 compliance standards for your safety. What we like. This ruler includes a graduated slide rule that extends for longer measurements. It's constructed from durable wood with brass accents to prevent splitting. If you need to measure beyond the standard length of a folding rule and appreciate the tactile feel and extended reach of a slide rule, this is a solid pick. What people say. I like this due to its slide-out brass rule that allows you to fit inside an object and get accurate measurements. When unfolded, the metal plates are designed to snap it into a straight position. It does not get loose and allow the extended rule to wobble. It's quaint and great for measuring inside measurements where a traditional tape measure is awkward to fit. For me, the most important feature of this folding rule is the sliding extension. It is ideal for measuring interior dimensions. Number 1. Klein Tools 900-6 Wood Folding Rule. Introducing the Klein Tools 900-6. This 6-foot folding rule is crafted from strong hardwood, offering durability for your projects. It features a clear, abrasion-resistant coating for extended wear. The riveted lock joints are engineered for long-term wear and maintained accuracy. You can rely on precise measurements every time you use it. It boasts high-contrast black markings on a yellow background, making measurements easy to see. Red stud center markings are conveniently placed every 16 inches. Measurements are clearly marked on both sides and both edges of the rule. This provides versatility and convenience for various measuring tasks. The rule is graduated to 1/16 inch, ensuring fine detail for your work. These precise graduations are engraved on both sides for easy access. What we like. This is a classic wood rule with an inside reading feature. It's built for longevity with an abrasion-resistant coating and strong, riveted lock joints. If you prefer the feel of a wood ruler and need accurate inside measurements with a tool designed for sustained use, this one is a reliable option. What people say. The folded rule fits easily in the rule pocket of carpenter pants or a shop apron. As with other flat rules, it's easy to make accurate layout measurements and marks. This is a great ruler for those who want old-school exact measurements. This rule can be read from both sides from the same end. It helps when laying the rule down from any point and being able to keep the rule flat without the unfolded side holding the rule off the wood. It is easy to read and tight to unfold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.